Welcome to Flick Tactics Week 16 updates. 4 more weeks to go. Here are the additions and changes for this week. Ashley Morris did the Ream face expressions and he also improved it. And now they look really well, as you can see down there. I especially like the tint in the shadow. That's a good step. And yeah, it's pretty good. One thing that I noticed is that the middle face, the outlines of the middle face are different compared to the other two. So yeah, this is something to be fixed. Otherwise, it is really good. And then I finally did something, and I'm much better now. So I removed down action button for all Mac units and improved visibility and shape. Along with that, I have also added attack recoil for attacking mech type, and I have also added power transition screen, which is a work in progress, but it is something that it is pretty cool. And I have also removed campaign button. So it's playtime, and let's check out the game. Here's the game, and as you can see, there is no campaign button right now, and now there's just play, which is versus mood. And now if I go to co, or in the center button, same thing, and if I click use power, see, this is the power transition screen, and there will be a text which will be power name along with full body character. I believe this is pretty cool. So notice this thing, that there is no EMP, and it is same for all the Macs, right? The down button is no longer there, and now the visibility is better for the buttons, and they are in triangular shape, so that, well, I think 3 buttons is enough. 4 were a lot of controls. And now if I attack this city building, see, now the units are shaking when they're shooting. Now if I attack with this cannon mech, notice that there is also no down action button, and it's true for all. Now attack this building, actually this building. See, they actually go back and then come back again. So now if I select the artillery and attack this building, yeah, see the recoil. So yeah, this is the update. For the next week, we're going for the same stuff, but now there are only 2 character facial expressions, Guru and Taja. So yeah, characters are being developed, which is really good. It would be awesome if you can contribute to more map or level designs. Thank you for the contributions and for watching the updates. Oh, before you go, I want to share something with you. I just won another game jam. Not me, actually, my team, basically my whole team, and yeah, not first, third place, and we did really well.